For the first time, Globecore offers a solution for oil purification, regeneration and degassing on an energized transformer. Now there is no need to disconnect a transformer from the grid and to sustain idle time losses. TSS allows a customer to fulfill routine servicing on a transformer online. The TSS system may be employed not only with Globecore machines, but also with machines built by other manufacturers' producers, after engineering study and adaptation of the system. The TSS controls the operation and parameters of a transformer during oil purification, degassing or regeneration. This ensures safe operation on an energized transformer. Transformer oil works as a coolant for the transformer. Air inside may expose the windings and leave the core uncooled. The TSS system is equipped with an automatic air bleeding facility to protect transformer from air and leakage. With the development of the TSS, we successfully created a fully automatic system due to innovative transformer servicing solutions. The controls are simple and user-friendly. The unit is connected by cam locks, allowing fast connections of the unit to a transformer. For more information, visit www.globecore.com.